The first top line today is related to the foreign direct investment. The foreign direct investment inflows rose in 2014-15 from three countries mostly visited by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The three countries include Mauritius, Japan and United States of America. The overall FDI increased to $30.9 billion in 2014-15 from $24.3 billion in the previous year. Reserve Bank of India relaxes the rules governing the restructuring and repayment of loans extended by non-banking finance companies. This is a move to facilitate the revival of the project stalled primarily due to inadequacies of the current promoters. Oil marketing companies to review the prices of petrol and diesel today. So consumers might get a reduction in petrol and diesel prices as crude oil prices at the international level are down 15% in the past month and trading at half the price that prevailed in June last year. Government sets a target to procure 30 million tons of rice during the next Kharif marketing season starting from 1st of October. FCI, the Food Corporation of India, has purchased 32 million tons of rice so far, and the corporation had set 30.5 million tons of rice target last fiscal. Well, those are the top lines. But we have other financial developments and our correspondents are actually tracking those things. In the Reporters Outlook, we have our correspondent Vikramjit Singh tracking the parliamentary affairs today. Most of the papers will be laid in both the houses. And Preeti Kaur, our other correspondent, will be tracking the corporate results. It is the Q1 season and the corporate results will be out. We will be tracking them and bringing to you. Securities Exchange Board of India has given a caution to the investors. What is that? In fact, the SEBI actually asked the investors not to invest in schemes and offered by the entities barred by SEBI, and there are 91 entities and its directors were given notices since 2011, and these and SEBI actually cautioned the investors from actually investing in these companies and also from the schemes offered by these companies, and if found, they asked the investors to report to SEBI or any other police authorities nearby. And Indian Railways, in another major development, has actually recorded profits. The operating ratio which they talk about is currently standing at 91.3%. The budget target of operating ratio was 92.5% and is currently at 91.3%. Operating ratio is basically what you spend to earn a rupee. So basically you're spending 90 paise to earn 100 paise. So that operating ratio is going down. That means it is actually reaching the targets. Indeed, one positive news for the Indian Railways point of view. Moving on to